Hey there, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to dive into the topic of starting a healthy lifestyle. Specifically, I'll be covering the 7 pillars of good health. About 6 months ago, I made a video on how to achieve optimal health. And since then, I've been wanting to do a follow-up video on a beginner's guide to healthy living. So whether you're new to leading a healthier lifestyle or just need a helpful reminder, this video is for you. Let's jump right in. The first pillar of good health is water. Hydration is key. Our bodies are made up of 50–60% water, and it plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. From distributing nutrients to supporting digestion and maintaining healthy skin and energy levels, water is essential. To make it easier to stay hydrated, keep a glass or reusable water bottle nearby. Seeing it will remind you to drink more water throughout the day. Next up is nutrition. Everyone's dietary needs are different, so it's important to listen to your body. Eating real, whole, unprocessed foods and cooking from scratch as much as possible is a great way to ensure you're getting the nutrients you need. Don't overcomplicate it. Have fun with your food choices and get inspired by books, cookbooks, blogs, and colorful fruits and veggies at the grocery store. Pillar number 3 is sleep. We spend about 1/3 of our lives sleeping, yet it's often overlooked. Quality sleep is crucial for cell regeneration, cognitive function, and emotional well-being. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, sleeping in a dark and cool room, and using essential oils like lavender can help improve your sleep quality. Exercise and daily movement make up the 4th pillar of good health. Our bodies are designed to move, so find ways to incorporate movement into your daily routine. It doesn't have to be a long, intense workout. Even a brisk walk or some simple stretching can make a difference. Start slowly, find activities you enjoy, and make movement a priority. The 5th pillar is making swaps to less toxic options in your home and personal care products. What we inhale and absorb through our skin can contribute to our overall toxic load. Look out for ingredients like parabens and fragrance, which can be endocrine disruptors. Start by making gradual swaps to less toxic alternatives, focusing on products you use most frequently. Mental health is just as important as physical health, making it the 6th pillar. Managing stress levels and practicing self-care are crucial for overall well-being. Prioritize activities you enjoy, seek support from therapists or trusted friends, and consider journaling as a way to process your thoughts and emotions. Lastly, the 7th pillar is relationships and community. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can greatly impact your mindset, choices, and overall well-being. Nurture the relationships that uplift you and spend time with people who make you feel good. Be mindful of the types of people you're spending the most time with and how they affect you. That wraps up today's video on the 7 pillars of good health. I hope you found these tips helpful, especially if you're new to starting a healthy lifestyle. Let me know in the comments which pillar you think you need to work on the most, or if you have any additional tips to share. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'll see you all very soon. Bye.